In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with anything. We'll walk through the apps area inside ClickUp so you can quickly discover the right connections for your workflow and understand what each category is designed to do. Start by opening your browser and going to clickup.com. On the home page, select Login and sign in to your workspace using your usual method. If your organization uses single sign-on, complete that flow and make sure you're in the correct workspace before continuing. Once you're in the app, look over to the left sidebar. If the menu is condensed, click the More option to expand it, then click More again to reveal the extended controls. From there, choose Apps to open the integration directory. If you don't see apps, try expanding the sidebar fully, or check that you have the right permissions from your admin. Begin with Agents. This section highlights native assistants and connectors designed to automate actions between ClickUp and other tools, reducing manual work and helping your team move faster. Next, open Featured to see a curated list of the most popular or newly released integrations, a great place to spot high-impact options quickly. Go into Calendars to connect scheduling tools, keep tasks and events in sync, and control which lists or statuses appear on your calendar views. Open Cloud Storage to link your preferred file providers so you can attach, preview, and organize documents directly from tasks without downloading or switching tabs. Select Communication to bridge chats, meetings, and notifications with your tasks, ensuring updates flow to the channels your team already uses. Choose Connected Search to surface results from your external systems alongside ClickUp items, giving you a single place to find work and related context. Open CRM and support for connectors that align tickets, customers, and deal stages with your project plans, keeping handoffs and SLAs visible. Check Development to tie issues, repos, and deployment signals to milestones, keeping product and engineering work aligned with delivery timelines. Visit Email to manage sending and thread syncing from within ClickUp, and to keep conversations attached to the tasks they drive. Open Finance and Accounting to map budgets, invoices, or expenses to work, improving reporting and reducing copy-paste. Explore Time Tracking to connect timers and timesheets, so time spent on tasks rolls into reports and billing with less friction. Finally, head to All Apps to browse the complete catalog or search by name. Each listing shows details, required permissions, and a connect button. Review scopes with your admin and consider testing in a sandbox if you manage sensitive data. That's the tour. By logging in, expanding more, and exploring apps across these categories, you can find the right integration for virtually any workflow. Pause this video as you navigate, and when you pick a tool, follow the on-screen prompts in its listing to complete the connection.